guys, Christy here, back with another Project Life Process video. This one is a quick one from March 16th to March 22nd. I've pulled some papers and embellishments. I'm trying to incorporate the Hooray collection that you saw in that container, paired with some Ali Edwards chipboard, these hearts from Pretty Little Studio, puffy stickers from Pink Fresh Studios, I think, and then my mega date stamp. I always pull out my mega date stamp when I know that I don't really want to dig through all my alphabet stickers. Initially, when I started this layout, I thought I would go with more of a monochromatic green theme because I have two cards from Ali Edwards that are green. On this side, I have the So Lucky card, and then on the right hand side I have the March Memories card. I tried to go through my paper stash and find green things, but it just was not working for me. So instead I've picked up some papers that have green in them. These are from Maggie Holmes. I think, I cannot remember, maybe Sweet Days. I can't remember the collection name. Happy Day. Maybe it's crepe paper. Maybe it's Maggie Holmes. I can't remember. Anyways, the butterflies have green in them, and then the camera paper below has a little bit of green, which I ended up covering with some photos. But yeah, I'm also going to try and bring in some stickers from the Maggie Holmes sticker book, and my title card is going to be super simple. So I'm using my Mega Date stamp. This is from Studio Calico. There's two different styles. There's this style, and then there's a more of a script type style. I love using this stamp, like I said, when I'm kind of being lazy, and also I love using it to document my kids' artwork and just putting a big date stamp on it. I love using it in mini albums. It's just super handy to have. It's kind of a splurge purchase, but I love that I got it. So I'm just adhering those down, kind of wonky, and then using my tiny attacher just to kind of add some texture and to look like it's stapled on there. And then I thought I would use one of these stickers from the Progress Ali Edwards story kit because the blue really matched, but I don't end up liking how it sits on the title card. So instead, I'm going to just write the word to. I was going to use a heart there, but decided against it. So I'm going to write the word to, and then I'm going to doodle around pretty much all the cards in this layout. Initially, I would have liked just to do about half of them, but I started with this journaling card, and then I thought, oh man, I should have done the title card, so I just kind of roll with it and do all of them, which it ends up looking okay. I think about switching the order of the cards there, but the photos that are on the right hand side don't really match with the sentiment of So Lucky. So the photo on the top right and the selfie is of me in my classroom packing up all my students' stuff. This is just days after schools have closed, and we are coming to the realization that we are not going to be returning due to COVID-19. So even though I'm smiling in the photo, I'm feeling very, very torn at this moment. I'm still feeling optimistic. I just kind of going with the flow, packing up everything, thinking, no, this can't be real. But as we know, it's real. So yeah, so I went through my labels and picked out some of the softer pink ones just to kind of match the title card, and I'm going to go with a formula with all the labels that I select, inputting a black tiny word sticker from the Maggie Holmes sticker book paired with a puffy heart from Pink Fresh Studios. Now, I've had these puffy hearts and stars in my collection for a while, and I really do want to find more. My favorite hearts are the wonky hearts, and these ones aren't wonky, but that's okay. So I just keep my eyes peeled for wonky hearts. I would love to get my hands on some of those. I had picked this chipboard that says "So ready for the next season," and I thought it paired well with that selfie. You know, so ready to kind of, even though this is just the beginning, so ready to kind of move on from this and return to normalcy. But yeah, I went through the ephemera from the Hooray collection, but didn't find anything for the left-hand side. Now we're on to the right-hand side. This week my husband celebrated his birthday. That's why I had chosen this collection initially. So I go through and pick just a few pieces to include. I'm choosing that birthday cake ephemera piece, but I'm going to cut off the cake stand. Uh, a lot of the photos didn't really allow for bigger embellishments, which I find crepe paper does lots of larger embellishments, so it's sometimes hard to include those in your project life album. But I like the way that that looks, and it kind of just reiterates that it's Erin's birthday. Continuing with my doodle borders on this side, I backed this photo of Adeline with the snowman on a 4x6 Studio Calico card, which I trimmed down to be 3x4. And it has like a blue grid pattern behind it, which I thought paired well with the title card that has blue in the butterflies. And then again, just using the chipboard and tiny word sticker and a heart on that Instax. Then I'm bringing in some more black with that celebrate banner, and I'm going to start pulling out some labels. So trying to tell the stories of this week. I really do wish that I had put that rectangular label on the March Memories card. I really do, now looking back, like the way that looks. But instead I opt to add it to the photo of Erin and the girls with his birthday cake that we made, and then another one in the top right of the girls out with their scooters despite the snow. This was a pretty warm day. The snow was melting and the sidewalks were clear. And yeah, at this point we're just ready for spring. All right, I'm adding some more puffy hearts to the celebrate banner, and I'm going to shift that one over just to kind of create a bit of a cluster on the other side, but you'll see that in a little bit. And now I'm going to tackle my journaling, and what am I doing? Oh, more labels. I'm pulling out some more labels just to kind of have some more in the bottom row, and doing my journaling now. I've really gotten in the habit of doing the journaling as I go, and it's so much better, and I don't know what took me so long in doing it, but it feels so good to do it and have the layout completed in its entirety. All right, so there's my layouts. I like the colors. I like the butterfly pattern. I just really think it ties the layout together. Hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you're doing well. We'll see you soon. Bye.